Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Kinpira Gobo. Kinpira Gobo is a sweet and salty side dish made by simmering burdock and carrots and seasoned with soy sauce and sugar and basic Japanese ingredients. It is one of the dishes that I make once a week. So I really like this dish. And in Japan, Kinpira Gobo is the staple dish that can be found on Japanese breakfast or even bento boxes. And it has often appeared on my food blog or SNS, so I'm so happy to introduce today. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so Kinpira Gobo is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます. The burdock is not too hard and has a very nice crunch. I think this is one of the dish that you can eat every day and never get tired of it. The veggie dashi gives the whole dish a gentle taste. And I put a shichimi togarashi on top, so it has a little spicy at the end. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: cut the vegetables into thin strips for texture. I really recommend. Tip: if you want to add a little bit unique flavor, I recommend vinegar. So please sprinkle, let's say 1 teaspoon vinegar, and it changes the whole flavor. Tip: it's important to use the funnel lid, so please season well with a drop lid. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was today's recipe? I hope this recipe will help you to plan healthy and nutritious daily meals. And if you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce various Japanese recipes, including baby meal, kids meals, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know more about Japanese culture and family lifestyle, join my mailing list. Please go to my food blog It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!